What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch and dev meme coins instead of trading them and print generational wealth. So make sure to keep watching because you do not want to miss this video. Here's my Phantom wallet, $4.5 million sitting inside from launching meme coins. Not from chasing, not from gambling, just from launching with a brand new strategy. Stay tuned, I'll show you it step by step on how I put it off. Every single time I bought into a brand new meme coin, which I thought I would get rich off of, I thought I found the perfect entry, but I completely got dumped on, just like this coin right here. Let me go in a higher time frame for a better view. Boom, it got completely dumped by the dev. And that's exactly when I realized the real money, right, in meme coins isn't made by buying and trading these coins. It's actually made by launching. Because when you launch and you dev these coins, you control the timing, the supply, and the hype. As a creator, you have nothing to lose, but if you keep trading, you lose over and over again. And with Bitcoin at all-time highs and Solana fucking exploding, I'm pretty sure Solana is at $225 by now. You guys can go check. You have to seize this opportunity. This is the best moment to start launching, so make sure to keep watching. Quick disclaimer, this content is purely for educational purposes only. None of this is financial advice, and obviously I am capping. Now most people run to Pump.Fun to launch meme coins, bro, but trust me, I am a professional dev. You do not want to use Pump.Fun because first of all it looks easy, but it's completely overcrowded. Thousands of coins are launching daily and most are never seeing buyers. Even worse, you don't control liquidity, so you are locked out of your own project. But with create tokens.io though, your token goes directly to Radium. It's instantly graduated and migrated and live for buyers right away. You keep full control, the visibility, and the profits. And yeah, bro, that's exactly why thousands of people use create tokens.io. Now on create token.io, like I said, you've got two ways to launch a meme coin. The first option is to actually, well, you know, build and create a coin from scratch. Now go on any social media platform. I'm gonna go on X for example and look for a narrative that's trending. It could be literally anything like this one. This rapper went viral for trying too hard to show off his red bottoms. That could be good. Apple unveils AirPod Pro 3, that could be good too, 7 million views. That's actually a good narrative. You could actually print generational wealth. Anyways, once you have a narrative, come back to the website, give your token a name, a symbol, and upload a quick logo, then click create and your coin is live and ready to run. But option 2 though, it's my favorite one and the most profitable, the copy trending coins. These are tokens already hot on Pump.Fun with hype and traffic baked in. You just copy them here and they launch directly to Radium. And since buyers are already chasing these coins, you'll see instant demand and more profits right out the bat. That's exactly why people copy coins. Okay, let's stop talking theory. Time to actually hit launch and push a coin live right now without any delays. I'm gonna prove to you guys that anybody can make some money. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Then click the blue button which will refresh the list. And I'm gonna copy a coin that looks good. I'm gonna go with the Bond coin. It has a last buy 8 seconds ago, a Telegram, and a $34,000 market cap. So crit coin. Ignore this warning right here, click proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, then the coin should be created, come on, and boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's minted, it's all live, right? Now, anyways, I'm gonna create the liquidity pool. Now this step is pretty straightforward. We're just adding liquidity so the token can be tradable on Radium, and people can actually buy and sell your token. Now there's two simple steps. First is the token A. Just tap 90%, that's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool right under the amount token B. This is your first position into your own project. It's not a loss, it's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, that SOL comes right back inside your wallet. I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, just make sure you have enough, and then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. After that, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the bond coin is now live. The PNL is right here, the coins are right here. Now, if you click on refresh once again, now we're up $220. That's really good because people are actively buying our coin. Click on Vion Photon to see the chart. Oh my god, we're getting Bison, 1.6k, 1.1k in liquidity. Things are looking absolutely fucking crazy. Okay, we're getting Bison, $20, 60 bucks. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, that's great. Come on, give me money, bro. I need more money in my pockets. $37, $70, 40 bucks. That's really insane. 1.8k in liquidity, 1.2k, well, my bad, 1.8k in market cap, 1.2k in liquidity. Things are looking good. Come on, 60 bucks. Let's go. Now, please, bro, if you're a dev and you launch coins, do not be emotional as me. Just keep it calm. Buyers are gonna come in, okay? More and more people are gonna start seeing your coin, and you are gonna get more buyers gradually. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I will be right back, so please be patient. Okay guys, I am back. I am at a $3.5 thousand market cap, $1.7 thousand in liquidity. Things are looking insane. Now, we're still getting buyers left and right, but now it's my cue to remove the liquidity. So come back to create tokens.io, and then click on the refresh button. And boom, I am up $1.8 thousand, which is absolutely insane. I'm gonna click on the minus button, do 100%, click the red button. Oh my god. And then as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive 8 SOL, click on confirm, and boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin, dump it, and print generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, $1.8 thousand.